Spider plant is one of the easiest plant to grow, or you can say that it's a beginner friendly plant. If you care for this plant with love, you're rewarded by a lot of beautiful spiderlets. Spiderlets are actually baby plants and they look like spider, that is why they are called spiderlets. Here are 5 caring tips for spider plant. The pot with good drainage hole at the bottom is the best spot for your spider plant because this plant can't sit in wet soil for too long. This way the excess water can escape. This helps a lot to avoid overwatering your species. Another great idea is to use a terracotta pot because this is a breathable material and helps to get oxygen to your plant's roots. It also helps in the fast evaporation of moisture from the pot, reducing the risk of overwatering even more. Spider plants are thirsty plants but don't like sitting in wet soil. So, the right soil for your plant is well draining and well aerated potting mix. Another very important aspect to taking care of spider plant is the proper sunlight exposure. Spider plant needs indirect sunlight. Give it too much and the beautiful white streaks on the leaves will fade to green. Give it too little and the leaves will turn yellow and will start to drop. Spider plants are thirsty plants and are really forgiving plants when you accidentally overwatering it. Normally, you should water your spider plant about once a week. Before watering, check the soil of the plant to see if it's dry. If it's still moist, you should wait another day and repeat this until the soil is dry. It's important to check the soil to avoid overwatering your spider plant. Once it's not a problem, the species recovers very quickly, but doing this consistently kill it. By checking the moisture level of the soil, it will let you the spider plant soak up nutrients at its own pace. There is a very easy sentence to remember when watering your spider plant. Let it dry out a little and then water generously. If you accidentally watered your spider plant too much, the plant will tell you quickly. Your spider plant will show a few symptoms. These symptoms are quite simple. The leaves will start to turn brown and die slowly. If you see this happening, stop watering. Let the soil dry out and then water again. The plant should pick up where it left off within a few days. It actually recovers really well. When your spider plant doesn't get enough water, its leaves will start to fade to a lighter color. Normally the leaves are a deep green, but when your plant doesn't get enough hydration, its leaves will get lighter. This makes it very easy to spot if your plant needs some water. This spider plant is a very quickly growing plant, so you'd expect it to need to be fertilized a lot. This is not true. The spider plant doesn't need to be fertilized to grow, but if you do fertilize it, it will give you small white flowers. When you choose to fertilize your spider plant, do this once at the beginning of spring and once at the beginning of summer. Make sure to stop fertilizing in the autumn and winter, as this is the dormancy period for the spider plant. If you take care of these 5 tips, your spider plant will definitely grow well and will give you a lot of spiderlets. And with these spiderlets, you can grow more and more plants. Another best thing of spider plant is that it's an evergreen plant. Evergreen plants are always very close to my heart because they are always with you and need little care. I grew so many evergreen plants and made video of them also. You can check one of my playlists named Evergreen Plant. Link is in the description box below. Let me know which evergreen plant do you grow at your home. Please tell me in the comment box below.